Hello students, let's continue from 7th standard science nutrition in plants. A few plants and all animals are dependent on others for their nutrition are called heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are few of the plants and all the animals which are dependent on the others for their nutrition. We call it as a heterotrophs. Next, parasitics. Parasitics are the organisms that live on the body of other organisms. All the parasitic plants feed on the other plants as either, for example, partial parasites and total parasites. Partial parasites, they obtain some of their nutrition from the host plant, for example, painted cup. Total parasites, they totally or completely depend on the host for nutrition, for example, mistletoe. See, look, you could see parasitic plants look like this. It includes painted cup, mistletoe, it looks like this, and these organisms live on the body of other organisms. Next, saprophytic organisms that obtain nutrition from dead and decaying plant and animal matter. The saprophytic are the organisms that obtain nutrition from the dead and decaying plants and animal matter. For example, mushroom, molds and certain types of fungi and bacteria. See, you could see saprophytic organisms, mushroom, molds and certain types of fungi which obtain their nutrition from the dead and decaying plants and animal matters. Next, insectivorous plants. By the name itself, we can understand these insectivorous plants are the plants, these are the green plants which obtain their nourishment partly from soil and atmosphere and partly from small insects. See, from the name itself we can understand these are the plants which obtain their nourishment partly from the soil and atmosphere and partly from the small insects. Example are pitcher plant, bladderwort and Venus fly trap. See, here you could see insectivorous plants, pitcher plant, bladderwort and Venus fly trap. Now let's know about symbiosis. Symbiosis is a mode of nutrition in which two different individuals associate with each other to fulfill their requirement of food. Here, the two individuals associate involve with each other to fulfill their requirements of the food. For example, lichens found in the tree trunks is the association between algae and fungus. Algae are the plants which, these are the aquatic plants, algae and fungus. Algae obtain water from the fungus and in turn obtain food from algae. They both associate with each other to fulfill their requirements of the food. For example, for the symbiosis, see, algae, fungi, fungus, you could see here.